GF mo, cute. May girlfriend ka ba? As in GF. Into arts ba siya or music? Manga, anime, Japan. Yun ba ang likes niya? Cosplay, okay, cute. Oo. Kasi GF mo, cute. Okay. Ano pangalan niya? Okay. Gaano na kayo katagal? Okay. GF mo, cute. Cute ba? Maganda? O ano pa ba? Okay. GF mo, cute. Yes. True. Totoo. GF mo, cute. Girlfriend mo, cute. Okay, gaano siya ka-cute? 100% ba? Okay. Mahilig ba siya magbasa ng books? Mag-internet as in YouTube at Google? Pixiv. GF mo, cute. Okay. Maganda ba ang mga mata niya? As in, okay. GF mo, cute. Yes, okay. Totoo, okay. Nagbabasa ba siya ng Black Ink comics? Manga. Okay. Mag-date kayo. Ipasyal mo siya. Kain ng masarap at magkape na din. Okay. Yes, totoo. Okay, okay, okay. Donuts, cake, coffee. Okay. GF mo, cute. Yes. You've heard me right. Totoo yun. Saan ba siya? Okay. Cute nga. Kung papipiliin ka, doon ka ba sa maganda or sa cute? Yes, okay, yes. Okay, yes, okay. GF mo, cute. Gaano ka-cute? Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. O, level 5. Oo. 5 being the highest, yes. Mahilig ba siya mag-games at manood ng anime? Okay, so, GF mo cute. Sana humble na din siya at patient. Mabait ba siya? Okay. Paano mo siya nakilala at paano naging kayo? Okay. GF mo cute. Yes. Tama ang narinig mo. May car ba siya or ikaw nagda-drive for her? Okay, or commute lang pareho. Jeep, bus, taxi, train, MRT, LRT, okay. GF mo cute, peace sign. Mahilig ba siya mag-picture? So, naalala mo siya ngayon? Cute, diba? Okay. GF mo cute. Ano favorite mo sa girlfriend mo? Mata, lips, face? Oo, okay. Maiksi ba buhok niya? Sapat lang? Or mahaba buhok niya? Okay, GF mo cute. Paano mo siya na-pursue? Okay. Ginamitan mo ba siya ng law of attraction? Visualization techniques, okay. GF mo cute. Nagko-coffee ba kayo together? Okay, donuts, cake. Okay. I am Gail. This is Speak Up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear, 'cause I cannot hear you. I need to know why we don't trust them. Explain to me this conspiracy against me. Yeah, yeah. And tell me how I lost my power. I lost my power. Speak up, dear.